So this is the list. Remember in Rivian recently, the small cap crap ideas. Now this is Campbell still doing well. SoFi up 21%. Remember VNO and SLG? I regret not adding those because I really, really like those plays, and they absolutely benefited from the pivot, right? The Fed cuts. They exploded higher. NEO and Rivian, of the two, I really liked Rivian. That's up 32%. This is not even today's prices. Anyway, Airbnb up 9%, GM up 12%.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.laductrading.com/club.
And Carvana up 55%. These were just ideas. Remember these from 12.6 and 11.29? Yeah. Carvana, really, this is digestion area. I talked about this yesterday. This is already up, what, 60%? It's on a stock basis. Now, this is the really big work. Big picture work. All right. Massive bottom. And it has shorts. I think Rithika said 35% or something. This needs to get going, but it's pretty darn impressive. So this is the 58. It needs to get and stay above. But so far, this is up a whopping 53%. Recommended on 12.6 at $38. So it's still working. Just careful. That is exactly resistance. So on a stock basis, this puppy is literally, from recommending it here, it is up 53%. And I think it could be just starting. Emphasis, shocked, I know, but it's working. All right, Carvana is right up into that 60. Massive move potential above 60.94. Let's call it 61. All right, so take a look. This is a high of 60.80. We haven't quite gotten above here, and we've already had a massive scoop form. And this is a big base. Lots of shorts in here. Careful. Someone's coming in, Tiff says, and buying Carvana out of the money, 125. Because honestly, don't laugh at me, please. But when and if we stay above this 61, this can absolutely double. Yep. This was literally a bankruptcy risk. Traded all the way down to 355. When and if this can get above 60, this can literally double. I still wouldn't swing for the fences like that. She's talking about a $125 calls that just came in, way out of the money. It's not but look at this. This is getting into gamma squeeze territory pretty quickly. The strike that Tiffany was just referring to was the option strike of the 125 right here. Near term, someone's chasing 133 IV, expensive puppy. But we're not talking about all at once. What I'm talking about is if then. In time, if this stays above that 61 level that I gave you, and I talked about this a few times, right? It's a massive base. The CEO and his father were buying shares. Apollo came in and did massive debt financing for them, and this thing has finally got the shorts scared. That's what I would say. It's an if then. If above 61, this can absolutely double. But not in 1 month. But it's definitely working right up into 61. That's where they should both take a little pause. And I know you think I'm funny about this, but Carvana looks like it has just started. So what do I mean by that? Here's that same kind of Copic curve, right? We're back above the zero. It's pretty important. You can't really see it so well, but that's what I look for. I get a trigger. Now time to kind of look at this and make sure it stays above. And I'm looking at volume, and you can see the volume is coming in, right? Just like Mara. And now we always take a little pause into the European close, but this is definitely still bid. It's just a pause right now on a 30-minute. They're digesting some pretty big levels, as I mentioned, but it looks like it's just getting going. If this gets and stays above 61 in a few months, it could be double, but it's early. It's early innings is what I'm trying to say.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.